Hello guys, it's good to see you again on this new week. We are on week number 10, and today what we are going to be learning is about countable and uncountable food. As you remember, last week we were studying a little vocabulary about food. So today we are going to use the vocabulary, and we are also going to learn new food, and we are going to learn to classify countables and uncountables, okay? So what are countables and what are uncountables? Well, countable things, countable objects are objects that you can count with individual numbers. For example, 1 pen, 2 pens. So everything that we can count individually, that is countable. Now, what about uncountables? Well, for example, I have here something that I cannot count. Water. I cannot say 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters, okay? I cannot do that individually. I can say 1 bottle of water. I can say 1 liter of water, but 1 water, it's not correct. I know that in Spanish, sometimes we go to the store y pedimos, regáleme un agua. Well, that is incorrect. We can say un litro de agua, una botella de agua, but we cannot say un agua. That's incorrect. So basically, this is what we cannot count. Let's check some example with food. For example, what about a hamburger? When you order a hamburger in McDonald's, you don't say, deme media hamburguesa, o deme 2/3 de cucharada de hamburguesa. No, you just say 1 burger, 2 hamburgers. You can count them individually. So the hamburger is countable. I can say 1 hamburger. Fruits, a lot of fruits are countable. When you go to the supermarket, you buy 1 or 2 or 3 apples, for example. Apples are countable. Strawberries, they are countable. We have grapes, pears, pineapples. Let's say I need 5 pineapples. Pineapples are countables. Now, what about the uncountables? Well, there are many different types of uncountables, and one of them are liquids. Liquids are going to be in the category of uncountables. Like we say, 1 water, not correct. So we can say 1 bottle of water, or we can say un poquito de agua o mucha agua, but not 1 water, okay? What about another liquid, lemonade? Lemonade is uncountable because it's a liquid. And what about, oh, you know what? The little dust, the little things, like for example, salt, la sal, that's uncountable. We don't say, Mama, échame una sal. No, we don't say that because salt is uncountable. So 2 lemonades, not correct. 5 salts, not correct. What about sugar? El azúcar. We don't say, deme 2 azúcares. We can say 2 cucharaditas de azúcar, okay? But not 2 sugars. No. So sugar is not countable. Sugar is uncountable. Okay, we cannot count it with individual numbers. So basically, that is it when we talk about countables and when we talk about uncountables. Now, in your study guide this week, you have a list of countables and you have a list of uncountables. So you have to learn them, and with that list, you are going to do this week's activity, which is going to be really fun. You can record an audio or you can record a video. Read the instructions, and if you have any questions, please send me an email. I will be looking for them, and if you need more explanations, I'll give them to you. Countables versus uncountables. Really easy, right? See you next week.